Imagine you're busy. You're working, gaming, or studying, and suddenly the market moves, but you miss it. That's the problem this project solves. Hello, my name is Amirreza Moradi, and this is my final project Python for CS50. The project is called Crypto Trading Assistant, a real-time assistant designed to monitor cryptocurrency and alert user exactly when it matters. This assistant shows live cryptocurrency prices directly from the Binance exchange with minimal delay. Price movements are visually clear, green for upward movement and red for downward movement, allowing users to understand market movement instantly. At the core feature of this project is the target system. The user selects a cryptocurrency, enters a desired price, and activates a target. The target is pinned on the live screen so the user always knows it is active. When the price reaches the target, the assistant immediately triggers an audio alert. Even if the user is away from the screen, the alert ensures the opportunity is never missed. This project is not just about trading. It's about attention management, letting users live their lives while the system watches the market for them. This was Crypto Trading Assistant for my final project Python for CS50. Thank you for watching.